Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma Costa with Momis Designs. In my channel, you will be seeing videos on how to do different kinds of DIYs, from printing to screen printing, to making jewelry, to making ornaments, a whole bunch of different ideas that I have for you. And I'm also going to be teaching you how to get the product at wholesale, how to price it, how to sell it, and how much your profit is going to be. Let's not wait any longer and let's go to the table. Here's an idea, a really cute idea for those people you don't know what to give. It's a very easy and fast idea that you can either give to your family and friends, or you can make it to sell. We're not actually going to make it. I'm just going to tell you how I made it. It's very easy. So I made 3 different ones. I made 2 with the Psalm 56:3 and 1 with the Psalm 46:10. And these are these nice night lamps. So let me put it back. They have them. It looks pink or little lavender, purple. This is red or orangey, and this is a blue, like almost like a royal blue. So what I did is, like, I used my Cricut to create the Bible verses. And for example, this one, if you look at it, it looks it doesn't look shiny, and you cannot see it through. But when you put it on the light, it looks really nice. Okay. So this one, what I did is I put the Bible verse, and then I sprayed it with this here. And I'm going to put links of all the products I used in the description box, so you can go there and click on the link. So that's this one. And then after this, we're going to talk about the price break. Now, this one here, I go ahead and I put the name, the Bible verse, and I did resin. So I put the resin on it, and I left it drying overnight, and it was already done, and it's done deal. And that one, I used this epoxy. For this one here, if you look at it, it has like this sign. It's almost like like the resin is not even, but it creates almost like a icy kind of finish. This one, I made it with my UV resin, and then I use my UV lamp for that. So that's the 3 that you can put anything here. It doesn't have to be a Bible verse, but I chose a Bible verse. Now for the price breakdown, so here it is. The lights, I got them at the Dollar Tree, and here they are. They have these 3 colors. They don't have any other colors. Those were at $1.25. The vinyl, I know it could be a little less, but I made it $1 for the vinyl. And then the spray or the resin, depending on what you want to use, I quoted at 50 cents. So then you have a total investment of $2.75. You always go times 3. And so it came out to $8.25. I will probably try to shoot for $8.99 each, and they can put whatever they want to do. You can personalize it to them, or you can do $1 less, $7.95, if they decide to order 6 or more. So that's the deal. Hey guys, either if you want to give them to your friends and family, you only end up spending $2.75 for an item that is pretty, is personalized, and if you want to sell them, you can make yourself a little extra money. And it doesn't only have to be a Christmas idea. You can use it for birthdays. You can use it for like a newborn baby, with the information of the baby here. I mean, the sky is the limit for these personalized little lamps. So that's all for me, you guys. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.